Fish and food quality in Dubai. Food fish are tested to define the suitability of their food. It guarantees the freshness of products and removes any food contaminants. Parasites are found, including fish whose tissues are poisonous and thus harmful to human health. Different approaches are used to care for integuments, skin, gills, muscle tissue, and internal organs. Relevant principles and criteria are observed in the measurement of fish products. Value certificates for fish industry firms and cooling plants will be issued for high-quality fish products manufactured for export. In addition to marking items suitable for sale, local food dairy, and food testing stations. Frozen fish in Dubai. Fish and other aquatic items are frozen, salted, or roasted to avoid spoilage. The bulk of frozen fish in carcasses or parts is from washed fish. Fillet is made from big fish from the seas. Cod and whale blubbers are used in manufacturing pharmaceutical goods as raw materials. Other products that support animal feed and industrial uses include fish meals, fish glue, guanine, and pearl essence. These fish goods are made of wastes created in the garments of fish and fish that are not fit for food. After discussing all the information and description about fish and fish products, the question arises, where is Fish Market in Dubai? Fish Market in Dubai. The Waterfront Market is a leading retail and fresh food market in Dubai. The Waterfront Market, situated in the capital's center, blends the traditional Emiratsuk with the city's multicultural spirit into a futuristic facility. The market waterfront relies on its incredible history and the legendary location of the Deira Fish Market. It retains a modern, state-of-the-art facility situated on the current Deira Corniche, Dubai's fish trade, and its freshness. Deira Fish Market. Regarding the Deira Fish Market and its products, since 1958, Deira Fish Market has served fresh catches and produced to UAE customers. The heritage continues with a modern waterfront market of 120,000 square meters. The emerging waterfront market is in leading food and drink chains, convenience stores, a multifunction hall, and a hypermarket in Lulu. It remains one of the country's popular markets for fresh foods such as fish, beef, poultry, fruit, vegetables, dry produce, and dates. 770 subway parking spaces and 470 outdoor parking areas, with a dedicated fish auction area, improve this retail experience. More than 800,000 locals, tourists, and shoppers visit the waterfront market monthly. Dubai Fish Market features. Since the founding of the Emirate, fishing had occurred in Dubai long before concepts were even like Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah. The waterfront market in Dubai's historic hub is continuing this legacy. The emerging industry incorporated improved technologies and equipment for performance enhancement and waste reduction. The changes also allow the fishermen to load the fresh fish directly onto and from their dehouse, ensuring complete freshness. The waterfront market also sells fresh meat, vegetables, and fruit, making it a one-stop shop for the area's residents. The market is a busy business hive, and the angler's fishing experience is better witnessed early in the morning. It's exciting. The scent of recently caught fish and the sounds of noisy chat fills the air as you navigate through the rows of screens with a massive selection of seafood caught locally and from neighborhoods like Oman and India. The rates are much lower than anywhere. A few vital Arabic sentences in your back pockets are the cleverest way to maneuver your way through the market. Fish Market Taste. Take a break and enjoy a tasty lunch in one of its market restaurants after hearing the sights and the sounds. Yahya Seafood is known for its tom yum soup, dynamite creams, and beautiful spices that you have ordered from the market and eaten in Arabic. For local tastes, you can visit the Finial Cafe, where you can enjoy traditional karak tea, Arab coffee, chebab, and ballet. Dubai Fish Market Products. Seafood products. The cod, hammers, major Omani creeks, and other more sustainable choices such as jesh, faskar, and shari are available in the fish section. Of the 435 stalls that sell raw cuts, 43 are dehydrated fish, and 18 are fish and crustaceans brought from the aquarium alive. You will find lovely lamb, beef, chicken, and camel cuts if you look for meat. These cuts are made locally or elsewhere, separated into many stands. All is fresh from picking your amount without caring about consistency. Meat products. The meat and poultry section provides a wide range of lamb, beef, chicken, and other meats, including camel meat, when you prepare a picnic in one of the lush Dubai parks. The supportive people even help scrub, wash, and marinate the meat you purchase so you can make burgers, sausages, and kebabs ready to grill. It is concluded from the whole discussion that for foodies, the vibrant Deira waterfront market is an utter must. While for many years it has always been a common souk and a favorite tourist, now it is bigger and better. The demand then is much greater, more relaxed, and air-conditioned. But the climate remains the same as the old souk, and tourists can still enjoy a wide variety of seafood, including lobster, kingfish, and pomfret. Visit to Dubai Waterfront Market for the most unforgettable experience of your life. And if you like our video, do subscribe to our channel for more and hit the like button.